What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how we mod everything with power tool batteries and use the chargers like this Milwaukee M12 here. You can pick up for about 10-15 bucks most places. We take it and use it for diesel pumps, sprayers, lights. We use it to test stuff. As many things as you can think of, you can use it for. It's a super simple process. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You're going to need a T10 screwdriver, some pliers, a soldering iron, and a bandsaw. So you just remove these screws here. Now we're just going to open the case up. So what we're going to do is give this a little snip snip. So now we're going to take this board and cut along here, and then we'll epoxy that in. Now we're left with a nice little battery piece. Next, you're just going to strip the wires and then break off these 3 metal tabs in the front. They won't be needed for this. You only need the positive and negative terminal. So we're going to take some epoxy of some sort, doesn't really matter what it is, mix it up, and then you're going to smear it onto the edge and then a little bit on the top, and that way you get a good seal and it allows your battery to set on without moving around and feeling loose. Now we're going to tin the tips of our wire with the soldering iron and then go ahead and get these tacked up. I like to use heat shrink on the connections, and now we've got them buttoned up together with our heat shrink on. And now you can just put it back together and you're ready to go. I like to use a piece of heat shrink on the outside wire just to notate which one is your positive battery terminal. So now we're going to put the battery in, and you can see we twist the nozzle and it starts pumping the water. Hope you found this video helpful. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.